Unleash your Android device's full potential by mastering parental controls. First, tap on the Settings app. You'll recognize it by its gear icon. In the Settings menu, look for a search bar at the top, type in Parental Controls and select the option that appears. If you don't see a search bar, you might need to scroll down and find it manually, often under a Digital Wellbeing or Users and Accounts section. On the Parental Controls screen, you'll likely see an option to turn them off. Tap on this button. You will be prompted to enter the PIN or password that was set up to manage the parental controls. Carefully enter this code. Once the correct password is entered, the parental controls will be disabled, restoring access to all apps, websites, and content. Now, you can freely access any app or website without those previous restrictions. This means you can revisit your favorite games, explore new websites, and enjoy all the features your Android device has to offer without limitations. That's how easy it is to manage or disable parental controls on your Android device. Remember, knowing your device's settings is key to a fully functional experience.